Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Let's discuss grammar tips for technical writing or business writing. So, the first very basic rule is use present tense. Present tense is easier to read and understand than past or future tense because it's always easy to read straight for non native English speakers. For example, I go to Scrum meetings every day. Mr. John makes an exceptional presentation every week. You can create a new folder, back up your files as part of your regular routines. You can read these files. And, my dear friends, there is a saying yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, today is a gift of God, which is why we call it the present. So, always use present tense. Next is active voice. Active voice is clearer than passive voice. Let's go through some examples. Cloud computing provides a number of benefits. It's good to say, right? Rather than saying a number of benefits are provided by cloud computing. That would be wrong. Windows 10 includes many multimedia features. That's good. But what if you say many multimedia features are included by Windows 10? That's not right. That's not straight. It's not good for non-native English speakers. However, it is alright to use passive voice in following situations. First, to avoid a wordy or awkward sentence construction, when the subject is unknown or the emphasis is on the receiver of the action. If casting the user as a subject might sound blaming, for example, error messages or troubleshooting contents. So, here is a life saving tool. Always apologize in active voice. I'm sorry for delay in the email. I'm sorry I could not complete the work today. That's good. Use minimalism. Omit needless words. Don't use 2 or 3 words when one will do better. Let's go through some examples. So the right one is follow these steps to change your password rather than saying follow these steps in order to change your password. Here in order to is needless. Second, it is not difficult to change your password. It's good to say, right? Rather than saying it is not terribly difficult to change your password. Terribly is needless. The next one is please revert me as soon as possible. It's good to say, right? Rather than saying please revert back to me as soon as possible. Here back is needless word. The next one is remove the backup files. It's good to say, right? Rather than saying take away the backup files. Take away is redundant. Subject-verb agreement. A verb must agree with its subject in person and number. The verb must be singular if the subject is singular, and the verb must be plural if the subject is plural. So, what to do if there are more than one subject? So, let's go through some examples to make it more clear. Ria or Lina speaks well during product demonstration. So here we have two subjects, Ria or Lina, and we are choosing it according to the subject number 2, that is Lina. The next one is Ryan and I am the interviewer for this job. So the second subject is I, so we have chosen the verb according to the second subject, that is I am the interviewer for this job. In the same way, some other examples are his friends or the boy runs every day. The boy or his friends run every day. The book or the pen is in the drawer. Few more basic rules for subject-verb agreement. Collective nouns are usually regarded as singular subjects. For example, the team has decided to postpone the game. Here, team is collective noun. That's why we are using it as singular subject. and we are using the verb according to it. Here the crowd enjoys the excitement in the movie. $30 is not a lot of money. The next rule is about either or, neither nor. Or and nor take two nouns before and after them. The nouns placed after these conjunctions are regarded as the subjects of the sentence. The noun placed prior to the words and or nor have no effects on the verb. For example, neither Ryan nor his teammates are going to attend the meeting. So here the second subject is teammates. So we are writing the sentence according to that. We have chosen are going verb according to that. Either Ryan or Kabir or I am making the presentation. So the last subject is I. So with this, I am making his presentation. I or Garima opens the door when someone comes. Neither the boys nor we are responsible for your loss. Next is parallelism. It is always good to have a parallel writing. How? Let's get started. If you want a parallel sentence structure, then balance the parts of a sentence with their correlating parts. In other way, balance noun with noun, match verbs with verb, match prepositional phrases with prepositional phrases. So that it looks good when you read, it looks good when you write. So maybe it's a little tricky. So let's get started with some basic examples. Like father, like son. See, this sentence is beautifully parallel. Easy come, easy go. Few more examples are, she likes writing, jogging and to paint. This sentence looks odd. The right one would be, she likes writing, jogging and painting. In the same way, the user guide contains common task visual overviews, a catalog of features and illustrated glossary of terms. The right one would be, the user's guide contains common task visual overviews, a catalog of features and an illustrated glossary of terms. So you can see "and" is missing here. So we have used proper a and the uses here. And the sentence look properly parallel in structure. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.